Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to block and unblock someone on Instagram. It's pretty simple, let's get started. If you want to block your ex-friend, just search for him by username. To do this, tap on search icon at the bottom panel and type the username. Select the person, next tap on three dots at the top right of the screen and select block. Confirm that you block this nice guy, block. When you make up with him, just press unblock and confirm it, unblock, okay? And after unblocking, you can even subscribe to him if it doesn't go against your principles. Tap on follow if you have been angry with the person for so long that you even forgot his username, then tap on your account icon at the bottom right of the screen. Next, select the menu icon at the top right of the screen. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find Blocked section. Here you will see a blocked account that you missed so much. Hurry up to unlock it. To do this, tap on Unblock button. Confirm unblock. It is unblocking. The account has disappeared from blocked accounts. This means that now the user can write to you, and you, with tears of happiness in your eyes, will be able to answer him. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.